What's up YouTube, this is Raise the Beast, and in this video I'll be doing a contest, Yu-Gi-Oh contest. So all you have to do to be part of this contest is comment, subscribe, and like this video. So if I see that you commented and subscribed, you'll be in the contest. And I'll throw your name in a hat with the rest of the people who do the same thing. And the winner will receive a Yu-Gi-Oh structure deck, Samurai Warlords. This contest will last for 1 week, and I will announce the winner next week. So I will throw all the names in a hat, and then I'll pick three names, and then from there I'll do another drawing. So out of those 3 winners, there will be 1 champion. So yeah. So all you have to do is subscribe, comment, and like this video, and you will have a chance to win a new structure deck. It's pretty sweet. So yeah, just wanted to say thank you for watching my videos, and good luck to you.